Hey gang, Skypilot here, welcome to my channel. I have the Eachine Tyro 79S. This is part of Eachine's latest fabulous all-in-one kit that you guys can buy. Comes complete with radio, chargers, pair of 650s. Check out my last video of this Tyro in action. It is sporting the stock props in that video. This time round I'm going to fly it with the KRC 3045 props, and I'm going to see how it performs. It's a nice still day, the sun's out, the birds are singing, the motorbikes are racing. Yeah, he's gone. That was fast. Okay, let's crack on into the sky, see how these props perform, and after the video I'll let you guys know which props I prefer. Links down below as always, gang, and enjoy the scenery. Thanks for stopping by. Let's get cracking. Off we go. Through the trees, that's what I'm hoping, because there are a lot of trees here. And straight away I am liking what I see. Yeah, your factory props, they do cause it to nip and jump around quite a lot, but you know what guys, straight away I'm liking this. I'll just check my DVR and see where we're at. Yeah, straight away gang, this is flying really nicely. I may have my VTX turned down. I'm not getting any numbers on there. I'm figureless, so I'll have to investigate that when I put it back on the computer later on. Not too sure what's going on, but anyway, it's all good. Yeah, so if you are, you know, in a bit of a built-up area, a bit more suburban, these props are a lot quieter and they certainly allow for a much smoother flight experience. So if that's what you're after, yeah, these are the props for you, gang. Yeah, I'm not going to go too far away as I'm pretty certain I've got my VTX turned down to 25 for some reason. Yeah, no good. How many times do you go out in the field and not prepare yourself? Yeah, quite a lot, I'm afraid. I should learn from my mistakes. Yeah, hey, this is a really nice flyer. I have banged on about it being a nice fly in my last video I made of it, and yeah, this is no exception. And down we come. It's always sketchy coming down because you don't know if you're going to land in a tree. It's a little bit dodgy. What a cool little unit, guys. Big 1111 sail on. Hopefully you're watching this video and you still have time to grab this at an even better price than it is normally. Okay, let's just push that VTX. As I said, I'm certain I'm on 25 here, so it'll be interesting to see how far we actually get. Oh, we're right over here at the tree anyway. Okay. Holy moly. Oh, that is exceptional. Okay. We had a little bit of break up there. Yeah, not to worry. I'll try not to hit those trees. Go for a quick tumble through, or a branch. Low battery, let's bring it home. There you have it, gang. Have a listen to the sound of those props. Certainly a lot more smooth sounding, a lot more fluffy, a lot fluffier than the standard props. I think they perform really well, and in this closed environment here, lots of trees, highly manoeuvrable, so I'm quite liking that. What do you think, guys? Drop me a comment. Let me know if you have any other props for this unit that you'd like to recommend. That'll be cool. I'm just going to head back to the workshop and see what's going on at VTX. I did do a BF update on this, a firmware update, so I don't think I've actually set my VTX properly. So there's a top tip for you guys. Yeah, make sure your VTX is configured before you head out. I can't seem to change it via my remote, so I shall go fix that up. Take care, guys. See you next video. Thanks for dropping by as always. Much appreciated in the sky. Catch you later on. Bye for now.